Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Asia Tradings. We're a design and manufacture house for LED display panels. In front of us is a production counter display. Where you can see this is the control panels, where line 1 is represent deform, line 2 cause, dim, and hairline. So this cable is connected to ground. So when I short, number 1, you start increasing, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. This is connected to the respective hardware. Where I want to set reset, just short and hold for 3 seconds. It will reset. Thank you for watching.